Hey, so let's do a quick check. Raise your hand if this feels familiar. You work hard. Maybe you're studying for a degree that's supposed to be the ticket. Or you've landed that entry-level job. You pay your bills mostly. You try to save a little, but it feels like you're running on one of those airport walkways. Except it's moving backwards. The dream of a comfortable house, a secure retirement, just stability. It feels like it's getting farther away, not closer. And you're told it's your fault. You didn't side hustle enough. You bought the avocado toast. But what if I told you it's not your fault? Not really. That there's a specific, almost mechanical reason why the middle class is getting squeezed out of existence. And the scary part? It's not an accident. It's a design. And once you see the design, you can start building your own escape hatch. The three-part trap. So let's break down this machine. Think of it as a three-part trap. It works together perfectly to erase your progress. Part 1 is wages. They're stuck. For decades, paychecks for most people have been basically flat. But it's worse than that. When you adjust for real inflation, the cost of housing, healthcare, education, your buying power has been going down. You're earning less with the same hours. Part 2 is assets. They're skyrocketing. This is the cruel twist. While wages are glue, the things that build real wealth houses, stocks, have shot into the stratosphere. This isn't just things got more expensive. It means the goalposts for wealth are on a rocket ship, and your salary is walking. And part 3 is debt. It's the lifeline they sold you. So you're stuck with stagnant wages, staring at impossible prices. What's the solution offered to you? Debt. Student loans to get the degree. Car loans to get to the job. Credit cards to cover the gaps. Debt becomes a substitute for the prosperity you were promised. And the monthly payment? That becomes the new heavy ceiling on your life. You're not failing. You're playing a game where the rules were quietly rewritten. The mindset shift. From passenger to mechanic. This is where most people freeze. It feels too big. What can I possibly do? This is the critical shift. You have to stop seeing yourself as a passenger in this economy, just along for the ride. You have to start seeing yourself as a mechanic. You might not be able to redesign the whole car, but you can learn how it works, protect your own engine, and build a better vehicle for yourself. It's not about working 100-hour weeks. It's about working with intention, on the right things. Your goal is no longer just to get a job. Your goal is to build economic agency. That's just a fancy term for your ability to make choices that aren't dictated by fear or your next bill. The action plan, building your agency. So how do you build agency inside a broken machine? You focus on 3 gears you can control. Your skills versus your job. Your job pays you a wage for your time. That's the trapped part. Your skills are what you own. The machine wants you to have one specialized skill for one job. You need to build a skill stack. That's the combo of things you're good at that makes you unique and harder to automate or underpay. Maybe you're in marketing, but you learn basic video editing and data analysis. That stack is your leverage. Spend 1 hour a week seriously just learning one adjacent skill. It's your quiet rebellion, your relationship with debt. We can't always avoid it, but we can weaponize it. See debt in 2 colors. Bad debt is money you owe for things that go down in value or disappear. Cars, clothes, lifestyle creep. Constructive debt is maybe for tools that increase your earning power. A strategic course, a reliable laptop for a side gig. Your new rule. Before taking on any debt, ask, will this help me earn more money or just help me spend money I don't have? This one question changes everything. Your first asset. Forget buying a house right now. Your first asset is your savings buffer. Aim for 1 month of bare-bones expenses. This is your screw you fund. It's what lets you say no to a terrible job, yes to a risky opportunity, or just breathe during a crisis. It turns panic into patience. Start with 1%, then 2%. Automate it. This isn't just saving money. This is buying your first piece of freedom. The new narrative. This is the real reason the middle class is being erased. Because the old playbook, go to school, get a job, work 40 years, was disconnected from the new machine. The game is no longer about income. It's about ownership. Ownership of your skills, your attention, your savings, and eventually, income-producing assets. You are not falling behind. You are being shown that the old ladder is gone. So we stop trying to climb the broken ladder. We start building our own platform piece by piece. The call to action. Here's your first move. Tonight, open a note on your phone. Write 2 headers. 1. My skill stack. List the 2 to 3 things you're good at now. Then, add 1 skill you will explore this month for just 1 hour a week. That's it. 2. My freedom fund. Write down 1 recurring expense you can reduce by just $20 this month. A subscription, a habit. Redirect that $20 automatically to a separate savings account. Name the account Agency. That's you taking the first bolt out of the trap. That's you moving from passenger to mechanic. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about becoming unfireable, unpushable, and unstoppable on your own terms. Let's build our own class. 1 skill, 1 saved dollar at a time. I'll see you in the comments. Tell me what skill you're stacking.